Well, today we're going to be unboxing the Evolve2 65 Flex by Jabra. Not sure if it's Jabra, or Jabra. Maybe write in, tell us what you think it is. How do you pronounce the name? And I feel like we've gotten very different answers across the board. I'm excited to unbox this today. One thing that I really like is how small and compact these are. They're portable, they break down very easy, and they have this great carrying case. You can throw it into your bag and you don't have to worry about it, and it holds the very little dongle that you may want to keep track of. It's got a nice pocket for that. They seem very portable, something I would enjoy and like to upgrade to myself. I have two pair of headphones currently at the office, where I have one for the office and one for when I travel, and this would actually negate the need for both. This item uses what's called hybrid active noise cancellation. And so it does a good job of blocking out the noise that's around you, but it also does what Jabra calls hear through. So you can hear people talking to you even as you're still wearing your headsets. It pairs with Teams, it pairs with Zoom or whatever device software that you're using. And it also turns red when you're in the meeting, so people would just see you and know that you are busy, to not disturb, to not talk to you in those moments. This microphone, it flips down so it'll catch audio better for you. It also has great software. Jabra does a fantastic job, a quality job of making sure that you are gonna sound great when you're coming through the microphone. Another thing that's very important when you're looking for a headset is you want good battery life. You don't want to be in the middle of a phone call and be typing to people, texting them, trying to apologize in some way because your headset is dying. Jabra boasts a 20-hour active use battery life. It'll last you your entire workday of constant use, and that's with the noise canceling on. If you turn that off, you can get even longer battery life. Another feature that's interesting with these headphones is they use software called Jabra Direct and Jabra Express. It allows IT management of these devices. Those who are in IT management, you can upgrade the firmware for your company for all of the headphones. You can track how the headphones are being used and you can manage them that way. And I know many of you are concerned with IT management, and as an IT management company, we're very concerned with such things as well. Another concern with headsets is, are they going to last? And especially if you're bringing them to multiple places and to different sites, work sites, hybrid environment. They do have a 2-year warranty. You don't have to be concerned about that. They'll last you that time. If you're looking for hybrid headphones, the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex would be a great decision. If you're looking for other videos like this, reviewing, rating, talking about things in a technical way, subscribe, like, be looking for more videos coming your way.